started, it's the boom. Ain't no coming back from here. Yeah, the life is life from here. It's so much clear that I can see it. Turn it up till they can't hear. I ain't running around for the thrill. Yeah, dog, with my real. I've been going to the real. Dog, now that I'm back at it again. Gone drugs, baby, give me all this still. It's like I can't choose. Been on this since we was kids. I feel some way the weight I guess. Cases fumes. She feel like the weight I guess. I'm not innocent. Hope I make it out of here, out of here, out of here.
How many options really got? I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Hold on him, extort shit, what you done flowing him? Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. The party at the party playing with his nose down. And Marco got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fucking world. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the pain don't let you disrespect pop, nigga? I think the open show will be on that stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the hour? Niggas and bird bitches cuddle. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Can't trade, they're not slow. Every hole is still deep, pocket go further, I promise. Ain't that song be rest, that's for bitch. You Malibu most money, ain't no dog boy, you ball boy for steer rate or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie, you flipped over your boxes, all over your phone. The other vaginal option, pussy, nigga better straighten they posture. Got fingers up in content, might write this for the doctor. Got a cops dog, quit hiding, fuck a caption, won't action, no accident. I'm hands on, he fuck around, get polished. Fuck no rain guard, he's in jail, that's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad these roads came home, y'all didn't deserve them either. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena, that predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered, it pays no neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like I'm gonna line up, and I won't pass the ox. How many stocks do I really have in stock? 1, 2, 3, 4, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. Once upon a time, all the fusses in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you, this the real nigga challenge. You call future when you didn't see the club. Hey, like little baby, help you get your lingo off. 121, get your first street cred. Girl, but you feel like you a slime in your head. Hey, like Remo said, you could be from Northside. 1, 2 chains say you good, but he lied. Run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth of the matter. He was God's plan to show y'all the liar. He a fan, he a fan, he a fan, he a fan. fan here. Freaky ass nigga here, 69 God. Freaky ass nigga here, 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga here, 69 God. Freaky ass nigga here, 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Let me hear you say OVO, OVO. Say OVO, OVO. Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way.
Like silver, they trying to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Find a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. They trying to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Find a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. Trying to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Find a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. They trying to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Find a little bit like she my enemy. While a nigga he won't see my face like where's in Cali. Spin like Patrick Charlie. She wanna rub on my belly, ask me if we go steady. For this stick you ain't ready, weighing in at 210, 6'3" tall. The shorty just think too heavy. Coverages on my machetes will never eat the spaghetti. All about my people like I work for Dunder Mifflin. Fucking your bitch when you not home, feeling so that you wonder what's missing. Eat the food out your kitchen, then I bounce with your house slippers. Need a bitch with some puzzle without issues. Put my dick in the mouth to the cow. 50 shit ain't sliding my crib with no ounce with her. I hold a bitch on like she show for the top shelf. Bitch she said she can't reach it. They tried to hold down when I asked if the butter there, but she said she don't see it. No fucking bitches in the winter with frozen hitters, let a pussy anemic. Ain't looking for scraps on the floor with them roach clips, but a nigga be feeling I hold a bitch up like silver. Been trying to hold down like December. Put dick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. Been trying to hold down like December. Put dick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. Trying to hold down like December. Put dick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. Been trying to hold down like December. Put dick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy.
Roll that bitch down like a gurney. Hypothermia, deep ocean journey. Something turning green, morning. I woke up in the morning, my clothes are torn and shredded pieces, purple pants, Narnia. Hard to find even in California. I was on ya, that incredible Hulk in a federal coat while the deputy spoke in a flirty tone. Dirty song, she knew him all. She let me escape and she threw him out. Hit herself in the face and shot through the wall. We set up a date and got too involved. I fucked her like shit was a bag and just needed reminding what good dick was like. A covenant, we kept each other lit, not even government could give advice. Dang, they got us surrounded, now I think the next door neighbor saw my face in the paper. Thought my deputy bitch would turn on me, but she turned her buttons to do me a favor. Got a fantasy I wanna do, yeah. Get naked and go grab my tube, yeah. If we gon' go out, then we gon' go out. Let's make it beautiful news, yeah. The cops are now rushing in. Then you get down, my bitch is face down and we fuck it, I'm bustin' right back in them. She coming so hard, they shot through my heart. I got my nut off, so there'll be a part.
Like silver, they try to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. They try to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. Try to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy. I hold a bitch up like silver. They try to hold down like December. Put tick up in her like an animal. Fuck a little bit like she my enemy.
Like the baby will grow up and avenge his father's death, you know what I'm talking about? And they just go like start shooting a whole bunch of cops to avenge his father. And his mom still been in jail, so he was raised without no parents. So he just go around killing people. No, that don't make sense. Cause his dad was wrong in the first place, so it like, nah, fuck that movie, that ain't no good movie, never mind.
Finna be some energy with the perimeter, vicinity of a nigga that can spit it with me. Feel like whenever we act up. Everybody else is a compiler with the artillery. So forget about it when you hear about it, cause it's too fast from the path of a time of buster. Hit a victim in the middle of the body with a bullet and a rhythm, every rhythm can structure. Tell me who you niggas with the German in the pocket, I be sounding like a nigga from my finger. Now I'm back to beat you in the head, I'm bringing up a thing on my niggas with, so we give you the ringer. You don't really wanna see when you're coming in, I give it to you, get a bullet to the nigga now. Do what I wanna do, till I make another nigga drop, how I wanna do it, only on the one. Go ahead, pick it up and carry it the way you wanna carry it to, do whatever you wanna do. Show the competition how we gonna do, what we gonna do, a better nigga never get in front of you. I wanna be on the front, wanna get in the race, and something fast, they call me Flash. No, nobody really wanna be hit him like a couple of millimeters of bullet nigga ass. Skitty go, skitty go, another just plays here. I wonder what nigga ever see it way in the winter windows. We ever gonna do this shit? And then we can hit him with another flow, pop champagne, and celebrate and kill another show. Got a champagne, the greatest nigga y'all already never ever do this kind of shit to us. Nigga gotta go. Now I gotta ask y'all. Is that right? Can you keep up? Oh, I like that. Kill everybody cause I'm running out of stress. If I'm running out of breath, we gon' be where I left off. Keep up with it when it's spinning cause I'm forbidden business. I'm a menace when I bust a lyrical tack off. Go faster than Ricky Bobby. Killing them and telling nigga nice. A nigga tryna get up. When a nigga hit up. When it in the house, you gotta pay the price. Look, why don't everybody wanna come and try to get a little taste of this shit they got out of me? Put it all over your face.